Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the contacts or phone app and finding the specific entry. This gets you to the record you'll change. Tap the contact to open details because you need the edit controls visible. Once done, look for the edit button or three-dot menu. That's how you access options to remove numbers. Make sure to confirm you've selected the right person so you don't delete a necessary entry. Mistakes here are easy but fixable with backups later. You're now in edit mode, so scroll to the specific phone field and tap into it. This exposes the digits and any delete control. Use the clear or minus icon to remove the whole number or backspace for partial edits, because that preserves other data like email. Once the number is gone, tap Save or Done to apply changes. If the app auto-saves, exit and reopen to confirm. If multiple numbers exist, repeat these steps for each one in turn. You finish by confirming the number is absent. Open the contact again and check call and message apps. If the number reappears, make sure contacts sync with Google, iCloud, or another account isn't restoring it. Disable sync or delete from the account's web interface to stop auto-restore. If something goes wrong, restore the contact from a backup or the account's trash. That's why backups matter. Finally, clear cache for the Contacts app if display issues persist, and then recheck.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.